Nikki, look at you, aren't you pretty girl? Aren't you pretty girl?
Mama, next, can you take a picture?
Do you want to go walk after you got your nice pretty haircut?
Hey, Mama, take a video record of me playing football. This is going to be the way.
Kaylin, let her be.
You're like, oh.
Yes, I'm a poodle.
She ain't no poodle. She's a pooping poodle.
Oh, she's still a mean one.
Can I be in it?
She says, leave me alone.
I will come. Boom.